along with me as I switch up and... Hey Katelyn, oh for real. It's YouTube. Yeah. Girl, you don't even know what you're doing. Okay. Anyway. Lights, camera, action. I love it! Hey YouTube, it's Katelyn O'Friel, and in this video I am going to be making over my beauty room. I usually call this room a vanity room, but most YouTubers call it their beauty room. So this is basically a walk-in closet. I've taken a room and created a walk-in closet. I didn't want for it to really look like a closet, so I have transformed a couple of vintage pieces and antiques to create my little dressing room that I am so in love with, and little by little it has been coming together, and I just want to share it with you guys. So stay tuned. I never know what to say in videos, I'm sorry. But I'm not, because this is who I am. Okay? So I'm going to be completely real with you guys. You can see that this is an absolute mess. I have jewelry all over the floor here, and I can easily hang this up right here, so there's no reason it should be on the floor. But it was in a little baggie, and it was just easier for me to throw it on the floor and look through it when I wanted to get something. I have my hamper like in the middle of the floor. This fell off of this shelf here. The shelf looks pretty decent actually, but anyway, you can see that this has potential, but it's an absolute wreck. And my friend is coming over to help me build a closet in about 5 minutes, so let's see what I can get done in 5 minutes to clean this. So let's see here what I can get done. Okay, so no idea how I did that in 5 seconds flat, but no, I'm just kidding. I know exactly how I did that. I took all of the jewelry and I put it in a bag and I put it to the side. I'll deal with that later. And I actually did clean up a bit. Put all my makeup away. And put some of the clothing away that was on the floor and on that little rack. This is where the closet is being built. So I'll have to get this stuff out of the way. These are just jeans and things like that. But stay tuned for more. Okay, so it is the next day and I'm going to show you what work has gotten done so far. So here is the closet that my friend built for me. It looks so amazing. I'm so excited to organize the clothes and color coordinate them so it matches really nicely. Right now I just threw them on there just to kind of see if they would fit, and I'm gonna go through and organize them by color so they look really nice. I also have this little gardener like fence thingy that I got from the Dollar Tree for $1, and I want to paint it white, or I think silver maybe, and kind of put it up above this window. I think that would look so pretty. I have this drawer here that I painted, and I display some of my pocketbooks and handbags on there. I was gonna make another one and put it here, but since the dresses are pretty long and touch the ground, I don't think I'm actually gonna do that. I don't know, I might play around with it and see. But I do have this rug here that's like a shaggy rug that I do like it here, but I almost feel like a pink one might look better here, and I put this white one there. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna try it out. And also I want to add legs to this and diamonds, like little tufted diamonds here, like buttons, like diamond buttons. So that'll be a project as well. And there is the mirror that I made. I have a YouTube video on that. I will link it. So here goes. You can see the lights are from Amazon. The mirror I thrifted for $8. I also thrifted this desk and painted it. And the chair is from TJ Maxx. I can link it down below if it's still available. I have my matching garbage pail because I'm a weirdo. Here's some of the detailing. So I'm just going to color coordinate and organize some of the dresses here in the back so that it looks a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. To show you just a quick little outfit of the day. When I'm home doing work around the house, I just like to be comfortable. So I am wearing some PJs, if you can see here. And this really cute robe that I got from being in my cousin's wedding. It's like a really pretty lilac grayish color. And I'm wearing these pajamas that are like a pajama set from the D2 store that I've talked about in previous videos. If you have watched, you know that I love that store. And I love these cute little pajama sets. They are so cute and so comfortable. And that's what I like to wear when I'm doing work around the house. So I'm sorry if I'm sorry if that's like against YouTuber like protocol, like maybe I'm supposed to look cuter and actually get dressed, but sorry, not gonna happen. I'm also wearing these pearl earrings and put some pearls in my hair. This is a hutch that you are supposed to put decorative or dining plates inside of. A lot of people have them in their dining room. I have one in my dining room as well. It's a little bit different style. You can also call this a curio cabinet. It has the glass doors, so you can put some nice stuff inside. But I decided to make it a shoe hutch and put all of my nice shoes in there. I got this for free from, I think, 5 Miles app or OfferUp, one of those. And I painted it. It was originally wood and I painted it white and silver. I also wanted to share that I am drinking this really delicious maple brew coffee. It's a K-cup that I got, and I have this beautiful little like travel mug. It says, "Some pursue happiness, others create it." And of course I have some candles going. If you've watched any of my previous videos, or if you do know me in person as well, you know that I love to like set the tone and the mood for whatever feeling I want to have while like creating stuff. So I am currently listening to Jessica Simpson's audiobook. I highly recommend reading it or listening to it. I prefer to listen to this because she actually narrates it herself. So reading an autobiography is one thing, but listening to the person who wrote the autobiography is just, there's just nothing like it. It's just very, very good, and it's something that I've learned to really, really love the past couple of years. So I highly recommend getting this book by Jessica Simpson. It is called Open Book. I'm only a few chapters in and I'm already getting teary-eyed and just feeling like an emotional roller coaster and just really connecting with her. So it's really, really good. I love it. Open Book by Jessica Simpson. So I changed up this shelf a little bit. I rearranged some of the pieces, added a couple more DIYs. And I'm loving the way it came out. I feel like it looks a little bit more balanced now. And I added this little gray rug here instead of the white one that I had. Then you can see here, I put a little pillow down, and the little silver round thing is actually just a placemat for your table. And I kind of like this here. I feel like it's the best I can do. I wish that it was empty. Like, I like the way it looks when it's just like there's nothing there, but I wanted to put it under here, but the dresses are so long that it just doesn't really fit nicely. I did put the white shaggy rug there, and I love the way it looks. I feel like it's a little nice contrast between the colors of the dresses and the white. And I have these really cute slippers here that I want to DIY like some diamonds and bows on there, so I still have to do that. And this is what the dresses look like. They're color coordinated, but I have to get more of the pale pink hangers. You can see there's a couple black ones in there. There's me right there. So I still have to do that, and then there's a couple more things I have to do. So it's gonna be a little bit of a process, but I'll take you along with me. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and let me know what you thought about it down below. I really hope that this inspires you to get creative and think outside of the box. Do a couple DIYs, maybe spruce up your old furniture with some paint, and make do with some of the items that you might already have or things that you find at the thrift store, and just have fun with it. You know, that's the most important thing, and it's really, really worth it. I'm telling you, when you buy a piece of new furniture, you know, it's great, it's nice, but if you have something old and you make it your own and you recreate it and you paint it, like, there is nothing better than that feeling of knowing that you made that piece of art and it's something that you can cherish, and just, I don't know, it's just a really, really good feeling. If you do stuff like that, you probably know what it's like. So I just really hope that that inspires you. Now, you know, I don't really like to be one of those YouTubers who are like, oh, subscribe to my channel. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would love that. I love being creative, I love DIYs, and if you like that kind of stuff too, maybe you want to be friends, you can subscribe to my channel. I'd really like that. And here is my trusty cameraman, the beautiful tripod right here. Look how sexy, oh my God. Don't you just love? She's cute, he's cute. Sorry, I'm making fun of YouTubers, that's mean. But this is my tripod that is basically my cameraman, because I need help filming. Because I film everything myself and it is so hard to do, honestly. So shout out to this beautiful tripod. Thank you for giving me life. I appreciate it. Fun times. The struggle is real. Look at me. I don't know what I'm doing here. Oh well. This is me.